Okay, what's all get close?
No, suppress them now and medically. Sean, focus on filming.
What?
Gefke, come on. Oh.
Survive.
Get up, boy.
I totally got him.
Gefke.
You guys move out of here, you move out of my camera. I'm staying here, I'm getting my gun back together.
Here, we're gonna defend this area. Just stay here.
Tim's getting shot at over here.
It's been a good match.
Watch out, Sean. What? Watch out. Got 400. Guys, I see an area for you to go.
Defend the gun.
No, guys, you can move to that low stone wall.
Remember where this is and move?
Low stone wall over there.
Can we remember where this is and keep moving?
There's a low stone wall over there.
Will you come?
It'd be best. Depends, where are you going?
That low stone wall.
Yeah.
Gefke, make a run for it.
Jeff can go.
Behind you. Behind you. Did you not feel like back up?
Yeah.
How is it? Big pouch?
Dad's on the far side, he's flanking around.
Yeah.
There's John. Far back.
Guys, you ever use the salt and look?
Yeah. Guys, being flanked along the side. Both sides to be exact. Gefkin. Gefkin. Gefkin.
John, you can't tell us where they are.
Okay.
Did you find the 1911?
Get him out. John's your biggest threat. I suggest.
Are you party?
Kinda.
Uphill? Yeah. How about you keep pushing down this low stone wall? Did you find the 1911?
No.
Is it missing?
Yeah.
It's missing?
Yeah.
So we have to go back for it.
Yeah.
Alright, you want to hold on to that? We'll ditch our gear here. Come on, I'm pushing towards that guy with the MP7.
Okay, hold on. Ready?
Go.
extra routes.
Find it?
Yeah.
Now what? Oh, extra routes. You want to fly back down towards the M4?
No. Use both. It's empty. Leave it up here then. Wait, no, I'll carry it.
Whatever we're going to do it fast. Our gear's out at 12 o'clock. We're not going to be able to get that back. Quick, go on the rifle. Just start running. I'll catch you up. Come on, don't move it. Definitely keep pushing that way.
What about the M4? Not gonna be able to find it after this.
I'm pushing back towards you.
Hey, Greg. Greg, I'm camera. Gefkin, revive him. Gefkin, you're hit. You're hit. Gefkin, 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 they got you.
We're both dead.
That's it. Hold on, everybody, everybody, push in on them. Camera, camera.
Done?
Yes, push in on them. Hey, move it. I just need a dick move. Nice job, guys.